morning. It is Friday, June 26th at 6:15 a.m. I've been on the computer for the last 45 minutes making my welcome back to Disney World reservations. And I was successful, believe it or not. I was not hopeful and was actually contemplating trying to get a refund on the annual pass after struggling for 45 minutes to get into the system. So here's what I've learned. I'm specifically posting this for our June 28th existing ticket reservation hopefuls because the annual pass holders are probably already online trying to figure out what I just figured out. So after struggling for 45 minutes in the Chrome browser, what I learned is that I needed to be in the Internet Explorer browser on my Windows 10 computer. I tried to make my reservations on my Linux laptop that's being run by Linux Mint. I tried in Chromium, I tried in Chrome. I was able to get onto the system. I was able to select my party, find the availability dates, click on that, choose my park, choose the appointment time, and then it did nothing. It just sat there. So having read some of the forums, Kenny the Pirate, thank you, I was able to determine that it might have been a browser problem. They recommended Chrome. I was in Chrome. It didn't work, so I tried Internet Explorer on my husband's Windows 10 computer, and it went through with no problems whatsoever in just seconds, and I was delighted to get my 3 days. So we will be going on August 27th to Animal Kingdom, August 28th to Epcot, and Labor Day, September 7th to Disney Hollywood. And looking forward to going to see what it will be like with lower capacity. I mean, not lower capacity, lower population at the parks. And we'll be wearing our masks, and not looking forward to that at all. But when we get there, there will be lots of people who have already reported what that's going to be like, so you probably won't hear from me about that. But I did want to post this video to help annual pass holders that might be booking in the next few days. I won't be able to help those of you who are waiting in the queue right now, I'm pretty sure. And hopefully those who have existing tickets, maybe if you're having trouble, switch to Internet Explorer when June 28th comes and you have the chance to get back into your park touring mode. Excited to just be thinking Disney again after so many months. I learned I can live without Disney, but it's just not quite so magical. Hope you all have a magical day, and thank you for watching this video, and hope to bump into you at the parks. Take care.